This is another Boolean Algebra question. So we're using the rules and identities, etc. Boolean Algebra to simplify the expression. So I often like to start with a De Morgan where I can see it. So I've got one I could use here. So I could split this line and change the sign, which I'm going to get A or A and B then. So it would have obviously the two bars there, but I can get rid of those by double not negation, so getting rid of those, so they're not going to be there anymore. So I end up with A and brackets A or C, and not A or A or A and B. So we've done one bit of it. We could look at a few other areas of things we could do here, but let's look at not A or A. So not A or A. So this first one was De Morgan, wasn't it? So not A or A by complement or identity of complement, A or not A equals 1. So we could put a 1 in here. So we've still got this arrangement on this side. So we've done another stage. So then I've got this expression here, which has been there since the start actually, A and A or C. So we could absorb this using absorption. So it's pretty poor writing of absorb, isn't it? Let's try and do that a bit better. So we could absorb slightly better. So that means A and A or C would become, well, just A. So that's the absorption method. A and A or C becomes A. We've got and 1 or A and B. Well, the next thing I'd like to do is think about 1 or A and B. So 1 or anything is going to be 1, because if we have an OR gate with a 1, try and draw an OR gate here, and anything else we've got on this side, if it's 0, we've got 1. If it's 1, we've still got 1 as an output. So anything on this side of the OR gate is going to be 1. So this amounts to 1. So we've then got A and 1, and A and 1 is always A. So our final answer is A. A and 1 is A, because if you've got an A and a 1, and you've got an AND gate, then if A is 1, the output will be 1, but if A is 0, then the output will be 0, because it doesn't matter what happens to the other side of this, so we can get rid of it. So A is the answer. So we've come all the way down here, we've got A as our final answer. So we've got absorption there, we had identity, and then identity again. Now you could have made some of these jumps a bit quicker than that if you wanted to, but I was just trying to show my process of thinking on that one.